Hi everyone, my name is Patricia and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I post a lot of random stuff, from makeup to fashion to amateur vlog kind of thing. So if that's the content that you're interested in, consider subscribe to my channel. Okay, so in this video I'm just gonna do another makeup video because I kind of feel like it. And I really wanted to do this makeup look for so long ago, but I just got the chance to do it right now kind of. It's not only makeup actually, but I will try to fully transform myself into a goth girl. So I'm gonna do the makeup, I'm also gonna do the fashion. Will it turn good? I don't know, but I actually growing up I've been obsessed with goth thingy a lot, but I live in a small town in Indonesia, and to dress up like that, it's just like growing up when I was in high school, I usually wear a skull t-shirt, and my grandma thought that I was an antichrist. So yeah, okay. And this is a fake nose ring, by the way, that apparently match my nails. Cute. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with the face first. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyes first, like how I usually do my makeup. And for this goth look, I think I'm gonna do like a classic black smoky eye look kind of. And I'm gonna be using two of my palettes, my cheaper palette. Like actually I was thinking about using this palette at first, like my Game of Thrones Urban Decay palette, because like this section right here, it's just like smoky eyes thingy. Like for the transition color I can also use this color right here, but I was like because I did a mini tutorial, but it's in Bahasa Indonesia, with this not so long ago. I think that I'll just use my other palette that also have black. The other palette that I have that also have black is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette that I use alongside with this while creating the tutorial, so I'm not gonna use it also. But I think I'm gonna use my full color and less possibilities palette for this eye look, because it got like black here, and then there is few transition color that I can create a smoky eyes look with. That was my dog. I don't know what happened. He dreamed or something. And for I kind of think like for the lids, I'm gonna be using like a silver color. So I'm gonna be using the silver color from this ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette. I have this palette since a long time ago. I don't really use this because it's basically all shimmer shades, metallic, so I don't really use it. And probably it is already expired, but I'm still gonna use it. And I'm gonna use this silver color right here. And I just realized I have a lot of palettes, but it's hard to find a silver, like a silver. It's, I don't have, like, this is probably only palette that has that kind of silver, and beside of the Game of Thrones palette. So yeah, okay, that's too much intro. Let's just get started. Like usual, for eyeshadow base, I'm gonna be using my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. I'll be putting it all over my lids. Okay, my eyes looks crazy right now, but it's alright, it's the process. Okay, so I'm gonna be using for transition color, I'm gonna use this Choco Faced from the Endless Possibilities palette. I'm gonna be putting it all over my, what is this, like eyelid, what is this, like I'm gonna be putting right here. My dog is snoring. After that, I'm just gonna use a brush to soften like the edge right here. Okay, after that, I'm just gonna go straight to this matte black. This is the black sand, and I will be putting it on my outer corner, and I'll bring it like all over this part of the eyes. What is it called? I don't know. It's part of the eyes to create like the black smoky thing. Wow, would you look at this black? It's really, really black. It's, ooh, not patchy. It's a really nice black. Okay, then I'm gonna be taking the brush that I use for the transition color, and I'm gonna dip in the Choco Fizz again, just a bit of it, and then I'm just gonna like blend it with the black, just kind of smoke it a bit. Okay, it's kind of messy with this fallout, but it's okay. Now, before I put some silver on my lids, I'm gonna do the lower eye first. Lower eyes first. I'm gonna be using this black sand. Just put it here. Okay, and for the half part of my lower eyes, I'm gonna be using this color, this Choco Fizz, just so it will still dark. I don't know what I'm doing. Help. Okay, and for the lids, I'm gonna be digging into this really nice silver color from Colourpop, Golden State of Mind. This is the Zero Clear. Okay, for my inner corner, I also only use this same shade, like the silver one. So I basically just drag it from my lids all over my inner corner. So I guess this is the eye look. Why does it look blue? Why does this silver looks blue? I want it to be like silver, but it turns like blue like this. But it's okay, like, okay. So I'm just gonna clean up this mess. I'm basically covered in glitter. My cheeks are covered in glitters from this silver, but it's okay. I'm just gonna clean up with wet wipes. And okay, so in the eye department, it's pretty much done. Now I'm gonna do my face. So I'm gonna prime my face first using these Benefit the Professional. Okay, after I prime my face, I'm gonna be using foundation, and I'm gonna be using this full color full coverage matte foundation. I use shades number 11 Dust, and I've been living for this foundation lately. It's really full coverage. It's not the type of foundation that I will use on a daily basis because I don't really use makeup, but when I do, I prefer the lightweighted one, like not the lightweighted but the sheer one, like my Benefit Hello Happy foundation. I love that too, but this will be really good for, you know, like if I have to attend a wedding or some, you know, event that I have to use full coverage foundation. I love this so much. I literally just use one pump and it can cover my whole face. I usually have to use two pumps for with my regular foundation, but with this one it's only need one pump, like you'll see. Okay, so moving on to concealer, I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer number in shade 10 Sand. I love this concealer also, like This is my go-to concealer now. I used to leave for a full color concealer, but I ran out of it already, and this is the only one I have now, and I also love it. I look so pale now, but it's Gothic. For the contour, I don't have any other contour products, so I'm just gonna be using this from Full Color. This is the Full Color Face Highlight, Blush Highlight and Contour. After contour, I'll be using my bronzer. This is the Hula bronzer from Benefit, and I'm just gonna use the brush that they gave because I kind of think it's easier to apply it that way, and I love the brush also. For blush on, I'm gonna be using the one from this Full Color Blush and Highlighter palette. This one is my favorite blush of all time. Look, I already hit the pan. First ever product that I ever hit a pan. Oh, too much. I'm gonna be using powder. This is the Dandelion powder slash soft blush from Benefit. This is gonna be using the brush that they also gave. I'm just gonna sweep it. For the highlighter, I'm gonna use a highlighter from Beauty Creations Candleless Glow highlighter palette, and I think I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna be setting my face first with this Full Color Hair Fun Makeup Setting Spray. Ooh, feel fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna be wearing this black lipstick from Lime Crime. This is the Black Velvet. This look kinda look too glam for goth. I don't know if this look is more goth or more glam, or it's a glam goth glam. Is it goth enough? I don't know. I'm afraid this look is not goth enough, but well. This is the final makeup look. I put up on something black. This is kind of black, but like more black. And I'll be back. Oh, I look goth. So this is my final form as a witch, as a goth girl. I really love this look. I love my eyes, I love my lips, I love this dress. I kind of think like I do look goth, but what do you guys think? Do I look goth enough? Or I think it's too much, like this earring is too much. I tried so much, and this, I don't know, I don't really know how to accessorize myself, but yeah, overall I kind of look good. I think like the makeup says it all. I love it, I love it, I love it. And yeah, I really enjoy making these videos. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as well. So what do you guys think? Do I look good? Do I don't look good? Am I like, did I succeed transforming myself into a goth girl or not? And do you guys like, and let me know if you guys love this kind of video, like this transformation videos. And also, like, should I make a more English speaking content, English speaking video, or what? Let me know in the comment down below. And if you like this video, please click the like button. And thank you so much for watching. Stay safe everyone, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. Oh shit.